L-Wallet is the shortcut to performing genuine miracles. Disguised as an everyday wallet, this innocent utility opens up endless possibilities. L-Wallet not only allows you to switch full and partial decks of cards, but also allows you to switch in and out anything that fits inside. After more than half a decade of iterations and real-world testing, L-Wallet has reached a state of near perfection. Transform a shuffled deck into a stacked one in an instant. Make cigarettes materialize from an empty box. Secretly load a prepared packet of cards onto a deck to create mind-bending effects. These are just glimpses of what L-Wallet can do.